Hey everyone, Ms. Comstock here, and we are going to continue with day 2 of using context clues in a text to help us figure out the meaning of unknown words and phrases. So yesterday you watched a video and we went through some slides in which you needed to determine what the clues were in the text around a word, and then what you already knew, and put those two things together. And from those two things, hopefully you can come up with the meaning of the word or your best guess to the meaning of the word. Today we're going to do one more example, and then you guys are going to fill out a Google slide on an example today. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize my screen here. And just like yesterday, we are going to be taking a look at some text. We have a cute little koala in the corner here. And today we're going to be doing the same thing that we've done before. So we're going to locate our context clues. We're going to identify what we already know. And then we're going to determine the meaning of the underlined word. Let's go ahead and take a look at the text that we're looking at today. Inherited traits. Every person has a unique combination of traits. Offspring is a living thing produced by two parents. When offspring are produced, they have inherited traits. Observable characteristics can be passed down from parents to their young. The inherited traits can be physical features or behaviors and instincts. All right, so our underlined word that we're trying to figure out here is inherited, and I've gone ahead and found our context clues for us that would help us determine what the meaning of the word inherited is. If I can click to the next screen. All right, so I have highlighted observable characteristics can be passed down from parents to their young. And I've also highlighted physical features or behaviors and instincts. Now I need to think about what I already know about what the text is saying. So I know that there are certain traits about my appearance that have been passed down from my parents, such as I have wavy hair like my dad, I have brown hair or brown eyes like my mom. I'm about the same height as my mom. So all those things got passed down to me from my parents. And then what we're going to do finally is we're going to take a look at putting those things two clues together of what the actual meaning of the word inherited is. Inherited means characteristics that are passed down from parents to their young, such as hair color. So that's our third example. Now today, this is what you guys are going to be doing. Let me click to my next slide. Today, you guys are going to be reading this text on citizenship, and you're going to be finding the meaning of the word citizenship. You're going to do that by finding context clues and then thinking about what you know. And finally, you're going to answer what the meaning is of the word citizenship. So do your very best today. Open up the Google Doc and impress me with your context clues knowledge. Thank you guys.